In this video, I'm going to show the easiest and what I think is the most creative way to transfer a site from Wix to WordPress. And actually, you can use this technique to improve your own WordPress websites as well. It's kind of amazing. Now, I'm going to start with the most exciting stuff in this video, which is how you go from image ChatGPT to WordPress. But at the end, I'm going to show you a few tips on how you actually get this live on WordPress.com. Right, let's dive in. So step one is just to take a screenshot of your web page. Here you can see I'm taking a screenshot of this one here. That'll save that to your desktop. And now we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to upload that. And we're going to use the exact prompt that I put in here. Now I'm putting the exact prompt for you in the description of this YouTube video. And you just copy and paste that and upload your photo. And then tell ChatGPT to turn that into HTML. But just use the prompt and then click the little arrow down in the bottom right. And ChatGPT then will go and work its magic. It'll save that as HTML for you. And you can see it creating it on the screen. Once that's finished, we're going to go and look at it. You can see the icons in the top there. Just click on the expand icon and you can see what it looks like. If you're not happy, just go back and reprompt. But I'm happy, so I'm going to click on the little code icon and then just copy all that code. And now the fun bit, we're going to go to WordPress, add a new page. You could put this in an existing page though as well if you wanted to. And then I'm going to add the HTML block. So /HTML. And then I'm just going to click Edit HTML and paste that code in and click Update. And we will see that now on the page. Now you can see it's narrow width. So there's a few more things we're going to do. Click on the list view up there. And first step is we're going to group it. And then we're going to click Inner Blocks, Use Content Width. We're going to untoggle that. And then finally, we're going to click Full Width. That will stretch that group block, which the HTML block is within, across the full screen. And then finally, we're going to go to Template, Change Template. And we're going to choose the template with no page title. And that's it. Click Publish, go and look at it. And there's our beautiful new page. And of course, we can go back and reprompt it. There is one more thing I'm going to do today. Coming in WordPress 7.1 in a few weeks is the ability to also edit that content visually. For now, you will need the Gutenberg plugin, but this is going to be rolled into WordPress 7.1. So if you want to edit your content in your WordPress website, go and install the Gutenberg plugin like I'm doing on the screen here. And activate it. Now when you go back to that page, you will see something very, very exciting, that you can actually go into that page and edit the HTML visually, which is really, really cool. So you can create the HTML in ChatGPT, and then you can actually edit the content in WordPress. You will, of course, need to set up a WordPress website on WordPress.com to start with. So just go to WordPress.com, click on Plans and Pricing, and then just click on one of these options here. I'm going to click on Premium and then just go through the steps. That'll set up a WordPress website. And then all you have to do, once you've finished your WordPress website under a temporary domain name here, you point your existing website domain name at Wix to here, and this will become your live website. I will put links down below that shows you step-by-step how to set up a WordPress website on WordPress.com and also how to point your domain name once you've actually set it up. But it's pretty straightforward, and we are here to help you if you get stuck. Hope you enjoyed that one and found it useful. If you did, if you can hit the like button, that'd be great. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.